Hi guys, Deanne here from Canada Abroad, and thanks so much for tuning in. Today I'm just bringing you an update which may affect you and it might not. So what happened was IRCC made an update to one of the very popular jobs that is currently being targeted in some of the express entry draws. So the position that I'm talking about today is transport truck drivers. Now it's still being targeted. It hasn't been removed from the targeting list. What's happened is if you had a Certificate of Qualification in that occupation from a Canadian province, then you could get 50 additional points on your comprehensive ranking system score. And those points would have been for having a valid Certificate of Qualification. Now, if you've never heard about this, it's separate from the education points that you can get on the CRS system. These points, it's 25 or 50 depending on your language abilities, combined with having a Canadian issued qualification in certain occupations. Now, it's mostly trades related occupations, but to get those points, you don't have to have work experience in that field, and you don't have to be applying as a tradesperson. So what I've done, because a lot of people aren't aware of this, there's a list in the description of the video below of all of the Certificate of Qualifications that you can get those additional points. But again, these are all Canadian issued, okay? So what IRCC said is no longer can people who have a Certificate of Qualification as a transport truck driver claim 50 or 25 additional points on the comprehensive ranking system score. So if you were previously receiving those 25 or 50 additional points because you had that Certificate of Qualification as a transport truck driver, you're no longer eligible for those points, so it is going to affect your score. But again, it doesn't mean that it's being removed from the targeted list of occupations. It's just that these points will no longer be available to you on the CRS system. So thank you guys, as always, for tuning in. And don't forget to click subscribe and sign up for notifications so you can stay up to date with all the latest Canadian immigration news and updates.